Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block the ads from the websites on Edge app on iPhone. So whenever you browse a website and a lot of ads are popping up, in that case what you can do is you enable the blocking ads option within the Edge app on iPhone. So go to 3-bar options and select settings, and within the settings you have this privacy and security, and within the privacy and security you have this option which says block ads, which is currently turned off. So you can just go and enable this option to block the ads. So once this is enabled, it will use the AdBlock Plus feature to block all the ads. So there are some advanced settings where you can allow acceptable ads, like you can turn it on, and you can also add exception, site exception, where you can enter the website address. Like for example, if you want to allow the ads for browserhow.com, then you can just choose to enable that, and then you can just add it as a URL and save, which will add it to exceptions, and only the ads on browserhow.com will be allowed and rest everything will be blocked. Similarly, you also have this know your block ads, where it will display what all ads have been disabled or blocked on the website that while you're browsing. So in this way you can customize the ad block. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.